One final walk around, one last inspection before a date with history. It is the first flight of the Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental, a new airplane with a familiar shape. Beautiful like the iconic 747, but larger, more fuel efficient, cleaner, quieter, still incredible. At the controls, Boeing test pilots Captain Mark Firestein and Captain Paul Stemmer, they taxi out to Payne Field in Everett for 10 a.m. on March 20th, 2011. It's time to fly.
The rotation was beautiful. Very impressive to watch.
Soon we see the 747-8 Intercontinental where she belongs, high above the clouds, flexing her wing. Though it's the inaugural flight, she performs as though she's been flying for quite some time.
Doing not only the routine functional tests that we often do on a first flight.
After a 4.5-hour mission, the 747-8 Intercontinental descends towards Seattle, touching down gently at Boeing Field.